I would play better if my ping wasn't so high. I can't even count how many times Fortnite players say this, but the real question is, how much is high ping actually holding you back? Because sometimes the problem is your internet, sometimes it's Fortnite's server routing, and sometimes Windows is quietly making your connection worse in the background. So in this video, I'm going to fix the biggest high ping problems step by step, so your Fortnite connection feels smoother, more stable, and actually playable again. So guys, open Windows Search, type Registry Editor, and open it. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now go to the address bar at the top, copy the exact registry path from the video description, paste it here, and press Enter. On the right side, look for Network Throttling Index. Double-click it, change the base to hexadecimal, then set the value data to 8Fs. After that, click OK. This disables Windows network throttling for multimedia and gaming tasks. For Fortnite, this can help remove one Windows-level delay that may affect online responsiveness. Now guys, for the next step, we'll use Lagofast to fix high ping in Fortnite. And honestly, if your game is connecting through a bad route, this can make a real difference. You can download it from the link in the video description and enjoy the free trial. After that, if you want to upgrade, use code MANO for 30% off. Once you open Lagofast, it will automatically detect the games installed on your PC. Click Fortnite and it will open the Fortnite Boost page. This is where Lagofast is useful because high ping in Fortnite is not always caused by slow internet. Now click the game server option. You can leave it on automatic or manually select your real Fortnite region like NA East, NA West, Europe, Middle East, Asia, Brazil, or Oceania. For most players, automatic is the safest option because Lagofast will choose the best route based on your connection. But if Fortnite is connecting you to the wrong region, select your actual server manually. After that, open the Nodes section. Here, you'll see different routing nodes with ping, status, and mode. Select the node with the lowest stable ping, or keep AI matrix route enabled so Lagofast can choose the best route automatically. Once your server and node are selected, click AI Boost. Lagofast will now apply the network boost and prepare the route before launching Fortnite. Wait until the boost is active, then start Fortnite from inside the tool. Now, let's move to the results. Before using Lagofast, my ping was much higher and Fortnite felt unstable, especially during fights. After using Lagofast, the ping was lower, the connection felt more stable, and Fortnite was much smoother to play. Alright guys, now open Windows Search, type Device Manager, and open it. Now expand Network Adapters. Double-click your main Ethernet adapter. If you play on Wi-Fi, open your Wi-Fi adapter instead, but if possible, Ethernet is always better for Fortnite. Now open the Advanced tab. Look for Energy-Efficient Ethernet and set it to Disabled. This stops your network adapter from using low-power behavior. For online games, we want a stable connection, not power-saving delays. Now find Flow Control and set it to Disabled. Flow Control can pause traffic to manage congestion, but for gaming, it can sometimes add delay. Disabling it keeps packet flow more direct. Next, find Large Send Offload IPv4 and set it to Disabled. Then find Large Send Offload IPv6 and disable that as well. These settings offload packet processing to your network adapter. That can be fine for normal use, but for Fortnite, we want lower latency and more consistent packet handling. Now find Jumbo Packet or Jumbo Frame and set it to Disabled. Jumbo Packet is not needed for normal gaming connections. If your router and network are not properly configured for it, it can cause weird connection behavior. After changing these settings, click OK. Now guys, open Windows Search. Type Group Policy Editor and open it. If Group Policy Editor does not open, you are probably using Windows Home. In that case, skip this step and continue with the next one. On the left side, open Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then Network, and now open QoS Packet Scheduler. Double-click Limit Reservable Bandwidth. Set it to Enabled. Then under Bandwidth Limit, set it to 0. Now click Apply, then click OK. This makes sure Windows is not reserving extra bandwidth through this policy. It will not magically lower your base ping, but it helps keep your network setup cleaner for gaming. And that's it guys. These were the best Windows and network fixes to reduce high ping spikes, improve connection stability, and make Fortnite feel smoother online. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.